In this aid, we will voice our fundamentally own and market's viewpoint on Rndr future while talking about the Rndr token cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, which is genuinely huge, if it's not too much trouble. In a real sense, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since anticipating anything by and large is a difficult undertaking. Generally, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like really Rndr token in an unpretentious manner. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Rndr token value forecast and answer questions in the event that Rndr is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Rndr succeed or sort of come up short, or for what reason will fundamentally deliver token value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Rndr is and its to-date history in a significant manner. Rndr value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of an undeniable, truly bear market. Bitcoin certainly has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction, which is very critical. Our algo still sees a some especially green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in a very large manner. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to generally find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to generally do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history, which really is very huge. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unobtrusive manner. We most certainly expect whales and other genuinely greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each venture, which is very huge. Basics that we by and large assess generally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2022 1013, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 5.33% $0, 5022 2022 1014 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 6.51% $0, 5078 2022 1015 plus 5.15% $0, 5014 2022 1016 plus 0.08% $0, 4772 2022 1017, or so they truly thought, plus 3.76% $0, 4947 2022 1018 incredibly. 1.60% $0, 4692 2022 1019, 2.57% $0, 4646 2022 1020, plus 2.04% $0, 4865 2022 1021, 0.96% $0, 4722 2022 1022, 2.44% $0, 4652 2022 1023, 6.91% $0, 4439 2022 1024, 4.95% $0, 4532 2022 1025, 5.11% $0, 4524 2022 1026, 0.33% $0, 4753 2022 1027, 3.03% $0, 4624 2022 1028, 5.86% $0, 4489 2022 1029, 8.71% $0, 4353 2022 1030, 3.01% $0, 4625 2022 1031, 8.41% $0, 4367 2022 1101, 3.92% 45 cents, 2022 1102, 9.07% $0, 4336 2022 1103, 8.66% 43 cents, 2022 11,044.77% 45 cents. 2022 11,005 $7.11% $0 4429 2022 1106, which is genuinely critical. 13.48% 41 cents Rndr token value expectation 2022, which is very critical. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure at sort of the least for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding we truly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, which is very huge. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NOV. 20.27% $0 3802 2022 deck amazingly. 37.05% $0 3001 2023 Jan. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. 28.19% $0 3424 2023 Feb. 19.87% $0 3821 2023 blemish in an unpretentious manner. 14.08% $0 4097 2023 APRA, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 11.71% $0 4210 2023 May in an unpretentious manner. 5.63% $0 4500 2023 Jun in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 4.36% $0 4976 2023 Jul. Plus 5.65% $0 5038 2023 All. Plus 16.82% $0 5570 2023 SEP. Plus 16.94% $0 5576 2023 AH. Plus 26.00% 60 cents Rndr value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees Rndr coming to 93 cents in 2025. What will Rndr be worth in 5 years, or so they thought? The cost of Rndr in 5 years could lie around 70 cents. Rndr token value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Rndr token will be worth in 2030, or so they thought. Our Guajing model sees Rndr certainly token coming to $2 in 2030. What in every way that really matters. Rndr token will be extremely worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Our anticipating model sees Rndr token coming to $0 in 2040, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Will fundamentally deliver certainly token substitute, generally outperform, surpass Bitcoin. No, generally Rndr token won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Will deliver in every practical sense. Token reach $10. Indeed, Rndr token could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Can deliver token in a real sense reach $100, which is genuinely huge. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Rndr token to reach $100 in the short or midterm period amazingly. Could deliver really token reach $1,000. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for